Hello, this is my new dance named Kepada Hati. Kepada Hati means to the heart in English. This is 32 counts, 4 wall, intermediate, nightclub to step level line dance. There are some texts in this dance, one restart and some bridge. Let me show you the dance from the back wall. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and second section. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Third section. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and last section. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. Now let me show you the dance from the front. 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and second section. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. Third section. 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and last section. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8. The tact. There are 2 tacts in this dance. You just do the jazz box and sweep step. Let me show you the tact. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you may step the dance to the next wall. There are some bridge in this dance. It happens before you start the 4th section of the wall. It happens after you do the right and left nightclub steps. So let me show you the bridge from the step nightclub. 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8 and bridge. 1, 2. Again, the bridge. You just do the 2 counts. Just sway forward and recover and sway. 1, 2. And then continue the 4th section. 1, 2 and 3 and so on. There is one restart in this dance. It happened after 12 count of the dance. So let me show you the dance to do the restart. 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and restart here. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and so on. I hope you enjoy this dance. Thank you very much for watching.